Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to clip your area and how to dissolve your area. So it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let start. Here is our map. We clip it. For clip we select any area, we select it and go to vector, geoprocessing tool, clip, and we select here input layer, means our layer, and output layer, and we select here select feature only and run. Close it. We see here our area clip. If you want to see attributes, go to table. You see here attribute, and here is your all area. We unselect it and dissolve. For dissolve we select any area, click here and go to attribute table and we select any area, select it, close it and go to vector and geoprocessing tool and dissolve. We select feature only, run. Our area dissolve, you see here dissolve. If you want to use dissolve for merge, so you go to again vector and geoprocessing and dissolve and we run it, close it, your area merge, and you see attribute table. Here is attribute table, your area merge using dissolve. So our clip dissolve process successful completed. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.